Hi guys! Today I'm gonna take you through our wedding journal. This wedding journal is for a Hindu bride to be to help her ease shadi ke arrangements. As you can see, it's spiral bound with really nice hardcover. I personally like spiral binding as it turns the page completely and it's more convenient to write this way. We have got the title and embellishments printed in gold and many parts in gloss embossed, giving it very royal and luxurious look. We have worked really hard on getting it printed this way because we didn't want to compromise on quality. When you open it, that page it says this journal belongs to, then there's a little note from our side, then undated calendar for you to mark your appointments, trials and other important dates. Then scribble page for you to throw up your thoughts and ideas so that you can always come back and check if you are missing something. You can stick stuff, put whatever you like and go crazy, be creative, make charts, maps. You can stick stuff that you have been collecting, do whatever you want to do. Now these 4-5 pages in the beginning of the journal are all about you. Introduce yourself and your better half. Enjoy journaling it. Stick pictures. Create your memory book. You can also follow the instructions. There are 15 topics that we have covered in planning section like guest list, venue planning, trousseau, makeup artist, bridal lehenga, etc. Every topic has one page dedicated to tips and tricks related to that topic along with hand-drawn illustrations or portraits. Then budget section, here you can write your expected and actual expenses. I have created a table so that you can analyze it more clearly. Then honeymoon section, in this you will find some tips on planning your honeymoon along with a packing checklist. And there's enough space for you in case you want to create your own. Then notes, if there's something that you need to plan according to your tradition and ceremonies, then go ahead, this space is all yours. And that's it. Make this journal your memory book. Stick pictures, pre-wedding pictures with family and friends, make pockets, doodle, sketch, write how you're feeling about those wedding jitters, be crazy, enjoy it. It's your wedding, plan it like a boss.